Hello, this is Simon from Scotland. In this video, this is just a quick video just to show you the prosperity marketing system and just to show you where to get your affiliate tools and things. There are other videos on a playlist where I go into more details about the prosperity marketing system, but essentially what I'm going to do today is just talk about where to get your affiliate link and where the affiliate tools are. So when you log in, you may get this page here where it's asking you to start a free trial. So just click on that. And it will encourage you to pay for the student tuition, which is $12 a month. And this is a residual payment, and it just means that you pay $12 a month to promote prosperity, but you also get commissions for that. And the commission depends on what level you're at with this. Once I log in, if I go to the affiliate center, it does actually explain how to make money with the prosperity marketing system. And I do encourage you to look at this video. The prosperity marketing system compensation plan will actually blow your mind, and that's the reason why I'm going to join it and replace it with one of the other programs in the funnel. So let me go to affiliate toolbox, and this is where you get your affiliate link. So I'm just going to copy this one, and we're just going to copy this here, and I'm going to go into my notepad and I'm going to replace the Easy Cash for Ads program with the prosperity marketing system. Easy Cash for Ads is really good, but there's two reasons why I had to change it. The first reason is because I'm in Scotland and they only pay through Wise once a month, and with the prosperity marketing system you do actually get paid through PayPal, so it's much easier to get paid that way. So when you log into it, if you go to your affiliate center in an affiliate toolbox, you will actually see your links here. You've got your affiliate links and you've got email adverts here. Scroll down the page and you will actually get some banners as well. So you've got 146 by 60, and you've got your button banners, the 125 by 125. These are the 300 by 250, and that's the banner URL. So let me I'm just going to highlight this actually and just copy this into my notepad as well next to the prosperity link. And I'll explain why I've done that in another video. But that's basically the marketing tools that you are going to need for prosperity, and if you put them on your website, that will encourage people to build, to join, and you can build your list that way. Let's see what we have here. You've got your downline. If you click on that, it does actually show you. I've got 244 members, and they're tour takers, so they haven't signed up yet, but they are working on it. We've got our commission section here, and if I click on that, it does actually say, what does it say here? We have earned $56 in the past. That's the earnings here. So if you click on that link, it does actually give you a list of the people that have paid it and your commissions. So you get 100% commissions on all sales except your second and fourth sale, which are passed to your upline. This doesn't do PayPal anymore. Are you there? Are you? Oh, there you are. So their preferred payment is Bitcoin, but you can get, there's other payments that you can use to get your commissions as well. They used to be able to pay through PayPal, but it looks like they've stopped that. But anyway, they are very good. If you cut and paste your Bitcoin address in this box and submit it, they are very good at paying on time. And that's really the affiliate center. There are other things in here that you can click on as well, and I don't want to go into it because I don't want to confuse the issue. The main reason for this video was just to show you the affiliate center and how to make money with the prosperity marketing system. So now that I've shown you the prosperity marketing system and how to make money with it, the next thing really is just to promote it on your website and make some commissions. This is just a really quick video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in future videos.